Rudolph, come. Let's go on a trip, kitty. Today we are going to walk on a path that is partially covered with fir trees, with small fir trees, and on other portions there are meadows with grass. We also heard a donkey somewhere around. Come, kitty. The car is on that side, kitty. We go in the opposite direction. Come, kitty. He still has bandage on his little footy, on his injured foot. And as usual, we can see that wherever there are tourists, there is trash. And I'm wondering if he didn't cut his foot in some trash thrown by the tourists, because they throw glass, they throw beer cans made of metal, and my little kitten could have stepped on those pieces of trash and injured his little paw. Right, kitty? Why are the tourists throwing away so much dirt, kitty? We want nature to be beautiful. We have to protect nature. And sometimes animals can get injured in the dirt that tourists throw away. Right, kitty? They shouldn't throw away dirt anymore, right, kitty? Because the poor animals get injured, right, kitty? Let's continue that way, to the meadow. Here we have some dense forest of small fir trees, these fir trees, and under the fir trees it's very dark. Right, kitty? It's interesting there. There's a meadow here, small meadow, with flowers, with grass. Right, kitty?